Hi Sheila.
Hi. Where's your trash bin? Oh my god!
Welcome back. We have a very special guest today. This is my friend Sheila. Hello Sheila.
Hi, I'm Sheila.
Hi, I'm Sheila. And Sheila's going to be helping us cook today a Soto Ayam. Am I saying that right?
Yeah, Soto Ayam.
Soto Ayam, which is like a traditional chicken soup. So again, we have a table full of ingredients. So if we just very quickly talk you through some of the ingredients, and then we'll cook. Chicken. So look at this, like the perfect heart. Okay, and then this is lemongrass.
Lemongrass. Yeah.
And then this is
Candle
like
nut.
this is candle nut. We had a little bit of a job finding this. Some sugar, noodles that we're going to put in, cabbage, eggs, chili for our sambal mix, ginger and shallots for our sambal. This I have no idea what it is. It looks like something I found outside. That's ginger. I thought that was ginger. Oh no, that's garlic.
Yeah.
Okay, and this? Turmeric.
This is turmeric. Yeah. And this is tomatoes.
And this is tomatoes. What do we do first?
So the first one, we boil the chicken with water, a little bit of oil, and then a little bit of ginger.
So what is that stuff?
Ginger.
That's the ginger. Oh yeah.
It, right?
Oil in first. Should I put oil with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit of oil.
Just a squirt.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait until.
Okay. So while the chicken is cooking on the pan, with water and a bit of oil, we're gonna make the paste that goes in the soup and makes that the broth. Okay, cool. So what's in the paste? Should we make a
Can you
paste?
open my email?
Oh. We won't put this in the video. We know this all in our mind. 5 grains of this stuff.
Yeah. We need to roast it first.
Oh really? Turmeric, red onion and garlic. Boom. My beautiful what?
It's the new one, right? You need to put it in your pan
in the
first.
pan.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Until you can smell the smell of it.
Okay, so we're going to put our hazelnut / candle nuts in there. Anything else?
And then we just wait until we can smell the smell of the.
Cook. I'm sweating already.
Me too.
It's hard work.
Maybe you should, tell some jokes or something. You know, this kind of.
I don't have any jokes.
Yeah, I know, but.
Go on. What's a good joke? Okay, I've got a good joke. So there was a priest and a rabbi. Was that a funny joke for you? Happy now? Let me chop something as well.
Okay.
This is my apprentice board.
Maybe you can chop.
My apprentice knife.
Chop anything.
I don't need to chop anything, but I want to chop something. I'm just going to chop it for fun. Should I get this out of here? Okay. Well, my knife is like.
Yeah.
Oh, you just break it.
Break it with your hands.
God, you're not letting me use any equipment.
Oh my goodness! Peel the skin off.
Oh, look at your fingers already.
Yeah.
Show the fingers. That's crazy. I'm not even sure if I've ever had.
Have you ever tried something?
You're joking. It's my favorite soup.
Already.
Really? Oh, okay, so you can be our taste tester.
3 centimeters of turmeric.
Should we use this one? Or, I think that's alright, isn't it? With a small little bit.
But it will be yellow.
Forever?
Yeah.
Forever?
Forever.
So is your hand's going to be yellow forever?
No.
So the hazelnuts in there. God, they're hot, right?
Candle
Ooh,
nut.
candle nut. And you're just crushing it, right? Oh, whoops. Oh, I've lost all my onion. All shot out the middle. 6 cloves of garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then a little bit of water, right?
Yeah. Maybe we need to cut the turmeric. This is how you do it. Wash already. Because it's new.
Because we never cook.
We do.
No, we do. Like when I went to the shop today for all the ingredients, she was trying to give me a packet of Soto Ayam stuff, like I guess a packet like this, and I was like, no, the ingredients. She was like, ooh. I said, yeah, that's alright. Okay.
Hope it won't break.
Okay, so now we're gonna.
Fry the paste, right?
Yeah. Oh dear. It's teamwork again. Does it matter if this stuff goes with it? You know,
Yeah, that's fine.
that's fine. Okay, sambal, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so I am the sambal expert, so I know how to make sambal. So we're gonna get some of the garlic.
Garlic.
We're gonna get we've got two little onions, perfect, and then we're gonna get some of the chilies, and then I also got a fun-looking chili. And I think we'll just put it in for fun.
Oh.
So now you're my apprentice. Can you please chop our chilies?
So I need to chop it.
Yeah. I'm on the big boy station with the big knife I'm a bit scared of. Okay, how do you say chili in Indonesian?
Chili is...
I thought you were just going to say chili. Chili in Indonesian is chili.
Chili is cabai in
Did you have to think about that? Have you forgotten how to speak Indonesian?
Wait, chili is cabai.
Cabai.
Cabai, yeah.
Cabai. Caubella. How do I say onion?
Onion is... Wait.
You don't. You're not. Are you Indonesian?
Bawang.
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 It's bawang,
I want to
guys.
see your passport.
Bawang merah.
Okay, so we're going to put that, and you've got the chilies ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you kept all the seeds in. Oh, proper Indonesian. Okay, then we're just going to put it in here. When I first arrived in Indonesia, I just met a friend of mine on the plane. Well, I met someone who became a friend, and we went to sit in a restaurant in the airport, in Bali airport, and the woman came out with our food and it had sambal in the corner, and I'd never heard of it or seen it or anything. I thought it was tomato sauce or like similar to tomato ketchup. So I've just got some chips or whatever, or like, I don't know, it was rice, and then scooped it with loads of sambal and just ate it. And because he was like a new person I'd just met, I didn't want to like pretend, like tell him that I was dying inside. So I was like trying to hold it together, but I had like tears coming down my face, sweating. In the end he was like, "Bro, are you okay?" I was like, "I'm just finding this a bit hot." Sambal. Presentation plate. Have I been relegated again? I'm back to my
This is
assistant.
cabbage,
Cabbage,
right?
yep. Hey Bulan!
Bulan.
Show them Bulan.
Bulan.
Okay, I'm just gonna, last thing, I'm gonna chop my tomato.
Don't chop it too small.
Not too small.
Not too small.
Like this.
And
And then
cut it
again,
into half.
like that, yeah?
Yeah, like that. Perfect.
Perfect. Did you hear that? Perfect. Very good. Perfect. Perfect. Lovely.
Okay.
Perfect. Last thing we need to actually cook is our noodles, like glass noodles.
Yeah, glass noodle.
We're going to put these in and just get some glass noodles. The one thing I would say about cooking is that you make a bloody mess. Like when you go to a restaurant, you just eat your food and go home. Here, I don't know how you're going to clean all this shit.
Wait.
Looks funny, it looks like it's got a big suntan. More water?
More water.
This is the best part because we're getting close and you can tell you're getting close, so now I'm starting to taste it.
We need to put.
So this is going to be what we put inside the soup bowl along with our noodles before we put the chicken and the soup and the thing over the top.
Right.
Oh, I think this is good. Nice, bro. So now we are in the presentation stage. So we have our little things that we're going to put into our bowl. We have our chicken and our soupy stuff. We have our noodles. So we're going to start with a little bit of cabbage, and then we're going to put a little bit of this, and then a couple of tomatoes, and then we'll put the noodle. That's hard to do. Put the noodle. Now it's the soup. Put the chicken first. That looks so good, you know. Put another couple of tomatoes and cabbage. And now we drizzle the soup. Our wand cup of soup. Beautiful. Get our little egg out. Oh, it feels well funny.
Yeah, clean it there a little bit.
That smells. Ta-da! This is professional. Ta-da! And then our final touch, our little eggs on the side. And then we're going to put
Some
a little bit of sambal. Look at that. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
That looks actually
Some
great.
greens.
Oh yeah. Look at that again. That looks really good, right?
Yeah.
Job well done. Are we going to taste it or we're just going to go to McDonald's? Okay. Ready everyone? Oh, that is really good.
It's good.
That is really good.
It's not the best, but it's good.
Oi, oi, oi. Go on then, camera girl.
You have to have a strong armchair.
Armchair.
Is it not?
Nice, right? And there we go. That is cooking a Soto Ayam with
Soto
a
Ayam.
real, well, we're going to check a passport, but we think a real Indonesian person and a camera woman. What a setup today, guys. How lucky are you all? Okay, peace. See you in another video.